Ankita here from Education Street, and today I'm going to talk to you and share how do you select a university, which is the right university for you, and what all factors you should consider while doing that. University selection is a very important decision that a student has to make. Most of the times either they are unaware or they're confused because there are many options to think about. There's country, there's course, there's fees, there's location, weather, your academic profile. There are several factors which go behind to understand which university would be perfect for you. So first of all, we start with the major and the most important criteria for you, and that is your course and what are you looking out to study. It is something which you may go to several counselors and several help, but no one can answer that directly for you. You need to understand what is best suitable for you and what you are passionate about. So this is the first digging that we have to do, and as a counselor at Education Street, we take this at a very different level. We are very prompt. We absolutely show you vision over which course can take you with at which career path, because most of them are not aware, and we definitely take it as a challenge, and we understand that this is sorted, rest everything can be sorted. So course selection is basically career selection, and hence it is very important. You're putting your lakhs of your rupees behind to for a degree, for going abroad, going away from your comfort zone, and if this is done wrong, everything will go wrong. So this is the first step that you need to take care of. The second thing that you need to decide upon is which country. According to the course selection, this option also gets very easily sorted, because most of the developed countries have all the courses, but it helps us to understand which would be more popular. And at Education Street, we are very familiar. In fact, we also go out of our way to apply to 2 to 3 countries at a starting point, give you universities of those levels, and then it gives you a better clarity on which country to choose, because we all have the FOMO feeling. So fear of missing out makes it really something incomplete, or the student definitely wants to look out for more options and more countries. So we do multi-country counseling for students. The third thing is fees, tuition fees and budget. The more we are clear on this, the better understanding the counselor would have about you, the better option would be selected for you. So if we have a clear demarcation on what budget would be comfortable for you and your parents to shell out, we can definitely look out for good opportunities in those areas. For every budget, there is a good university lying there. You just need to know it, and hence we help you with that as well. The fourth thing that you need to look out for is again your academic profile, because even if we decide that we have to go here, we want to go for this university or that country, we need to match our academic profiles to them. So there are certain countries where there are strict rules, like there should not be gap, or there should not be, you should be from the previous experience, or you should, definitely have academic grades which are 65-70%, or you require language proficiency probably for that course. So there are a lot of things that comes in behind. So as a counselor, I always suggest to start early. Do not think, do not procrastinate and come to us when you are at a boiling point. You definitely need to start early so that you have a better profile, engaging profile, which will not only get you a good country, a good course, but we all need scholarship. So this is something which is very important, and if you want to reduce your cost, you need to put a lot of efforts on your profile, because it's way too competitive than you can think of. So higher the university, better the universities and courses that you're looking out for, there would be more competition, and hence we need to be up the market. So this is how few things which are very crucial. Now at Education Street, we amalgamate all of these opportunities, all of these factors, and then bring out the entire options. We prepare a proper Excel sheet and opportunities of the universities, the tuition fee, deadlines, admission requirement, how to apply links. All of these things would be given to you by our team, and then that makes much more simpler for you to understand which university and which course would be viable for you. So, among the lakhs of universities which are waiting for you, it is very important that we understand what are the few that we can apply for. And that decision is way too difficult. And hence, I say that university selection is very important stage. The more earlier you start, the more time you have for this important stage. And hence, this is what I would say, start at least a year or 2 year prior to get engaged, to not have that FOMO feeling, and put your best applications to the universities abroad. So I hope this serves the purpose, and I'm thankful that you attended and you saw this video. So thank you from Education Street. This is Ankita here. If you have any questions, please follow us and DM us on our Instagram page, which is @Education Street. Same goes for YouTube, same goes for Facebook. We put in lot of efforts to bring in good content to you every week. So I hope you keep engaged, you keep engaging with us. And if there is any questions, please do write to us. And thank you so much from Ankita.